Hey guys, what's going on? Merry Christmas. Here to tell you a little bit about something that I actually received from my bridal shower like years ago, and I'm setting the table with it today. Because they have like an everyday set that I use, for dinner and stuff like that. But since I'm setting the table all nice, or trying to anyway, I decided I'm going to open this because I'm having 14 people, so I didn't really have enough knives and forks in my drawer, and I wanted to also use like a new set, something a little bit nicer. So this is, I'm going to probably say this wrong, but this is Pfaltzgraff Everyday Service for 8 Silverware set. It's a 45-piece set with Mirage Frost. Service for 8 plus 5-piece hostess set. And it comes with a bonus storage caddy, which is really convenient. I can just slip that right in my little drawer over here. So I think it's really pretty with the silver frosted design. I just started opening it. It's a little bit challenging because you really have to like get in there with the scissor and like cut these plastic pieces off. I mean, I know it's on for a good reason. It's just like a little tough, but yeah, so that was like the only thing. They just a little tough to get this out, but once it's cut, you're all good and ready to go. So this is available in a lot of stores, which is good, and like online, so you could add it to your registry. Anyone getting married and moving out of the house, I definitely suggest getting something like this. Just to have as your everyday set, or just to have like if you're having company over or a dinner, whatever the case is, this is always nice to have. So, let's see what this says. Item number 508-5079/6525, Lifetime Brands Incorporated. The address is 22 Blake Street in Medford, Massachusetts, 02155. These are made in China. The barcode there. The trademarks RNTM and logos appearing herein are the property of Lifetime Brands Incorporated and their respective owners. Copyright 2016. All rights reserved. This package is recyclable, and I love how look how pretty the silverware is. Like the design at the bottom, the Mirage Frost. Isn't that pretty? It's really nice, and these are super sturdy, but like also light at the same time. So it comes with 2 sets of forks. So you have like your salad fork, your dinner fork, your soup. Not soup spoon, but you have your teaspoon and your big spoon, butter knives, and then you get your bonus 5-piece hostess set, so you get the butter knife with that, and it's so pretty. I just love like the bottom design. I think that looks really, really nice, but also simple at the same time. So let's flip this over. Oops, I think I just knocked some out. It's okay. This is the bag. So a Pfaltzgraff Everyday 45-piece set, service for 8. Mirage Frost set includes 8 salad forks, 8 dinner forks, 8 dinner knives, 8 dinner spoons, 8 teaspoons, made from superior stainless steel, dishwasher safe, never needs polishing, lifetime limited warranty. So it shows you what it comes with, times 8. 1 cold meat fork, 1 butter serving knife, 1 tablespoon, 1 sugar spoon, and 1 pierced tablespoon. And then the bonus storage caddy. So this is showing you the little extra hostess set that this comes with. So here it says lifetime limited warranty. The product is warranted to be free of original defects in materials and or workmanship. Should this product require warranty service, we will repair or replace any defective item at our option without charge. In the event that manufacturing considerations have caused a pattern to change or become unavailable, a defective item will be replaced with a comparable item of equal value. For warranty service, send the product requiring service to the address below. This warranty does not cover any damage resulting from improper use or any other cause not arising out of defects in materials or workmanship, and does not cover any use other than by consumers in their homes. This warranty gives you specific legal rights. You may have other rights which vary from state to state. So on the side here, it kind of just reiterates what comes in. It comes in a little kit here. So you get this set times 8, this set times 1, which is the hostess set, bonus storage caddy, and you get the really nice silverware with it, with the beautiful design. Cuts pretty well. And then, of course, they look pretty, and they're dishwasher safe, so that's awesome. Throw them in the dishwasher. That's what I plan on doing at the end of the holiday, just to give myself less work than having to hand wash everything. So guys, this is Pfaltzgraff Everyday 45-piece set Mirage Frost silverware set. Perfect for everyday use, or if you're like me and you're setting your table for the holiday and you gotta use some knives and forks that are a little bit like these are a little more than just like the regular simple everyday ones, because they have the design and they're really great quality. So I think they're great for like a fancy holiday, but they're also great for everyday use. So I hope you guys found the video useful, and I thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a great day.